Hello everyone, myself Aditi Vivek Jogarkar. I am from SY80C Division A and my PRN number is 20UET041. Today I am going to explain one point from the lesson which is BJT application, and the point I am going to explain is the design problem of CE amplifier. So let's start with the problem statement first. So here, as you can see, the given problem statement is design a CE amplifier to get output voltage of 3 volt RMS with gain of 20 and assume beta factor is equals to 330 and stability factor which is equals to 10. So we have to design above amplifier for audio frequency range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The given parameter for designing an amplifier is frequency 20 to 20 kHz, VO which is equals to 3 volt RMS, beta 330, stability factor 10, AV 20, HI which is equals to 4.5 kilo. So to design a CE amplifier, we have to draw first the circuit diagram of CE amplifier. So I have already draw it. This is the CE amplifier diagram. So coming to the first step, we have to calculate the value of VCC. So we have one formula to calculate the value of VCC. VCC is greater than or equals to 2VO peak to peak. So Vrms equals to Vp upon root 2. As we already have the value of Vrms, we can easily calculate the value of Vp, which is coming out as 4.24 volt. Vo peak to peak can be calculated as 2 into Vp. So 2 into 4.24 is the value of Vo peak to peak, which is 8.48 volt. The main parameter we have to calculate is VCC. So we have already calculated the value of VO peak to peak. So VCC is coming as approximately 15 volt. Coming to the next parameter, which is of selection of VCEQ. For calculating the VCEQ, we have one formula which is VCC upon 2. VCC is nothing but 15. So 15 by 2 is the value of VCEQ and is 7.5 volt. Coming to the third parameter, which is of VRE. For VRE, we can assume the value of VRE as 10 to 15 volt of VCC. 10 to 15 volt of VCC means 10 to 15 volt of 15 volts. So 15 upon 100 into 15 is the value of VRE and is 2.25 volt. Coming to the next parameter, the calculation of ICQ. For ICQ, we have one equation which is VCC equals to ICQRC plus VCEQ plus VRE. So in spite of ICQRC, we have all the three values which is of VCC, VCEQ and VRE. So putting down all the values, we can get the ICQRC which is coming as 5.25 volt. So to calculate the ICQ, we have to first calculate RC. So RC can be calculated from this formula, which is AV equals to HFE into RC upon HI. So we have AV, HFE and HI. So putting down all these values, we can get here RC, which is coming as 272 ohm. So putting down the value of RC into this equation, which is of ICQ RC, we can get here ICQ, which is equals to 19.3 milliampere. So the fifth parameter we have to calculate is of RE. To calculate RE, we have the formula of VRE upon IE, but IE is nothing but as ICQ, and ICQ we have already calculated here. So putting down the value of VRE and ICQ, we can get RE, which is equals to 116.5 ohm. Coming to the next two parameters, which is of R1 and R2. To find out R1 and R2, we have to use the formula of stability factor, which is S equals to 1 plus beta upon 1 plus beta into RE upon RB plus RE. So without RB, we have all the values. So putting down all the values, we can get here the value of RB, which is coming as 1 kilo ohm. RB equals to R1 parallel R2. Parallel means R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. So R1 parallel R2 value is coming as 1K, which is of RB. So VB equals to VB plus VRE. The value of VB is ideal, which is 0.7. So we can get here R2 upon R1 plus R2, which is equals to 2.95. So VB upon VCC, which is equals to R2 upon R1 plus R2, is nothing but the 0.1966. So from R2 upon R1 plus R2 value and with the help of RB, we can calculate here R1. So R1 is coming approximately as 5 kilo ohm. So here R2 upon R1 plus R2, which is equals to 0.196. We have already calculated here R1. So we can calculate from this equation the value of R2, which is coming as 1.22 kilo ohm. Coming to the next parameter, which is of Cin. For Cin, we have Xcin, which is equals to 10% of Rin. Rin can be calculated as Rb in parallel with Hi. We have both the values. So we here get the value of Rin as 0.81 kilo. Xcin nothing but 10% of Rin, means 10% of this value, which is 0.81. So Xcin coming at 0.08 K. But we have to calculate the parameter of Cin, which can be calculated from this formula, which is Xcin equals to 1 upon 2 pi into frequency into Cin. We have already calculated here the value of Xcin. So putting down the values, we have get here that Cin equals to 99 microfarad. For Cout, Xcout equals to 10% of Rb. Ro, which is equals to Rc parallel RL, but RL is very small, so we can calculate here only value of Rc. We have already calculated value of Rc, which is 272 volt. As Ro and Rc are equal, so we can get here the value of Ro as 272 ohm. So putting down the value of 272, Xcout equals to 1 upon 2 pi f into Cout. So Cout can be calculated as 292 microfarad. Coming to the last parameter of our CE amplifier design problem, which is of bypass capacitor. So Xce, which is equals to 10% of Re. We have already have the value of Re. So putting down the value of Re, here 10% of Re means 11.65. So we have to calculate CE. So same procedure as Xcout and Xcin, we can get here CE as 683.06 microfarad. So all this is about our design problem of CE amplifier. You can calculate it after watching this video by the way of calculator. Thank you.